up, guys? Happy Sunday! I just wanted to go ahead and reach out to all my current viewers and subscribers, and we're just gonna do an intro video of how my family likes to hot pot. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's just the way that we do it. I'm just gonna showcase it for y'all, and then you can either, copy it, do whatever, make your own style of it. Soy sauce with that Chinese barbecue sauce. This is amazing. Tasty. White Napa cabbage or Napa cabbage. Egg Thai. This is really tasty too. Hey Leo, you want hot pot? We also have fish balls. We like to put corn assortment. This is like made from a root, and what they do is what do they do with it? Actually, it's healthy Yam Threads. So this is actually my new favorite thing. It's made with soybean paste at the top. It's really tasty. What you do is just boil it for 3 seconds and it comes out really tasty. This is really yummy. This is where you all put it together. Just throw it in a pot. That's all you gotta do. These are all the elements of a great hot pot. These are delicious oyster mushrooms. Y'all gotta get that. More of the same. Prime rib cut, shrimp, squid, oysters, tofu, some clams, and then you got the mother load right here. Again, there is no right or wrong way to do hot pot. It's just the way that we do hot pot. Usually we do fish in our hot pot, but this time we didn't. We just had whatever was available to us and currently in our freezer. Always do that. Freezing is good, guys. And as always, subscribe, like, comment,